Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rilly Trusyati. Today, I would like to share about the article with the effects of reproductive, digestive, and coordination system lessons on adolescents' mental health, a quasi-experimental study with the team Rilly Trusyati, Rika Rafika Agustin, and Andi Isni Pujirana. Funded by Faculty of Mathematics and Science Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. The first, let's explore about the background and research problem. There are 80% adolescents have stress, anxiety, and depressions. This comes from at least 3 contributing factors. The first one, hormonal changes during puberty, academic and peer pressure, and menstruation-related stressor. For this research has the gap, limited research on how science content topic differentially affect adolescents' mental health. For this research, there are 3 research questions. The first one, how do 3 biological system topics differ in their effect on student overall mental health? The second, what are the topic-specific patterns across 5 major mental health dimensions? And the last questions, what are the topic-specific patterns across 12 mental health sub-dimensions? There are 3 biological topics: human reproductive system, human digestive system, and the last, coordination system. Next comes to theoretical framework. The key theories underpinning this study. There are 3 theories. The first one, constructivism paradigm, and then dual factor model, behavioral and cognitive theories. And for the interpretations, this theory comes to the think feels direct interventions. This is a reflective tool integrating with the meta-affective awareness and meta-cognitive awareness, and this diary as the bridging cognitive and emotional support in science classroom. For the research design and participants, this study used the quasi-experimental design with the one group pretest post-test design. The instrument is mental cue questionnaire, mental health navigation tool for students questionnaire. There are 37 validated items covering 5 dimensions and 12 sub-dimensions. And this instrument has strong psychometric properties with the person's reliability 0.91. And for the participants, there are 69 students from junior high school that's distributed by 3 locations from the South Jakarta, East Jakarta, and Lampung. For the interventions procedure, the think feels diary implementations pre-test 1 week before with the mental cue, and then for the interventions with the science lesson and think feels diary. Then think feels diary divided into 2 sections: before learning, during learning, and after learning. And then in the last post-test with the mental cue, this is immediately after the topic. For the key features, these interventions integrated into regular science instructions. And then there are 3 past reflections: anticipatory, in actions, and reflective. And the last, students completed independently in classroom. Next comes the results in discussion. The first one result is overall mental health results. There are 2 topics of biology have already analyzed by statistic to find out the difference, and the key finding, none of the topics show statistically significant changes in overall mental health. So this is have several explanations, possible explanation. The first one, but the mental health is multidimensional and stable. The second, this is related with the short interventions duration. Number 3, classroom teacher versus mental health professionals. And the last, focus on mental health literacy versus therapeutic outcomes. The next results, number 2, mental health dimensions. There are 5 dimensions: psychopathology, subjective well-being, quality of life, resilience and coping, and the last, social emotional competence. Based on 3 biological topics, this is different results. Let's see, reproductive, this is neutral or slightly positive. For the digestive topic, mix, distress high and grow also high. For the coordination system, mostly negative. For the results number 3, this is divided into 3 based on the biological topic. and focus on sub-dimension analysis. Number 1, this is about the reproductive system. Let's see, this is based on the sub-dimensions. Depression, this is like improvement. Anxiety, slight improvement. Stress, like improvement. Empathy, largest positive change. Adaptability, slight improvement. Life satisfaction, like slight improvement. And the key finding is reproductive system lesson appear neutral to mildly beneficial for adolescents' mental health. For 3B, this is focused on digestive system, and the result is mixed and polarized. Let's see, there are two columns with the positive changes and negative changes. For the positive changes, such as empathy, adaptability, physical activity, and social emotional competence. But for the negative changes, depressions, life satisfactions, stress, emotional self-regulation. And the key finding, students experience simultaneous distress and growth. Content may be emotionally challenging, but also provide opportunities for skill development. The last is 3C. This is focused on coordination system, and the result predominantly negative. Let's see, subdimension connectedness change. This is large decline. Emotional self-regulation, large decline. Adaptability, large decline. And life satisfaction, moderate decline. Anxiety, moderate decline. And stress, increase. There are 3 possible explanations. The first one, abstract nature of nervous system content, high cognitive demands, and the last might trigger stress responses. Discussions, why no significant overall effects? At least there are 4 analysis reasons. The first one is mental health stability. Mental health consists of the multi-dimensional construct influenced by external factors such as home, peer, and finance, requires long-term interventions. Number 2, interventions characteristic. This is short durations, focus on cognitive outcomes, not therapeutic goals, delivered by classroom teacher versus clinicians. Number 3, population factor, selling effect, regular student not at risk, baseline scores already relatively favorable. And the last, number 4, knowledge versus behavior gap. Mental health literacy is not same with the mental health improvement, requires sustained practice and reinforcement. The last topic is conclusions. There is no significant overall mental health changes. However, topic-specific pattern emerge: reproductive, neutral to mildly beneficial, digestive, mixed, distress and growth, coordination, predominantly negative. For the implications, there are 3. Science topics have distinct emotional demands, need topic-sensitive pedagogical approaches, transform classroom into holistic learning spaces. And for the recommendations for future research, number 1, include control group. Number 2, larger sample size. Number 3, please try to extend interventions durations. Number 4, involve mental health professionals. And number 5, conduct follow-up assessment. For example, 3 up to 6 months. That's all my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.